팬들한테 한마디 해달라요.
이렇게 너무나 반갑게 맞아주셔서 너무나 감사드리고요. 또 앞으로도 만날 수 있는 기회가 자주 있었으면 좋겠습니다.
Thank you so much for welcoming, and I hope you could see me again in the Philippines, in person again.
Alright, so yung mga Boys Over Flowers fans, they also have relief goods para dun sa mga nasalanta. So, thank you so much, the Boys Over Flowers Philippines Fans Club, because they also gave relief goods. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Grabe, these are really trying times para sa ating mga Pilipino. Pero yung mga moment talaga na ganito, talagang ang saya-saya natin, di ba?
Yes.
So,
walang alam mo.
nice breather. Nako, ano na? Paano ba natin
They're saying saranghe.
You're fast.
Saranghe.
I don't want this interview to end.
Korea.
Yeah, can you just help him give a last message to all the Filipinos?
저도 이렇게 태풍과 많은 비가 온 것에 대해서 너무나 안타깝게 생각을 하고요. 또 그러느니만큼 또 희망을 갖고 항상 웃으면서 지내시길 진심으로 기도하겠습니다.
Well, he says he feels sorry for what has happened to the Philippines. At the same time, people don't lose their hope and more power and strength. Yes, and keep smiling. That's what he said.
Thank you for visiting the Philippines.
Thank you so much, Bam. We hope to see you again.
Salamat!
Salamat po.
Sinabi niya si Bianca na maganda daw si Bianca. Kanina, sabi niya talaga maganda, sabi niya. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, okay. Meron kaming special announcement sa mga fans kasi sabi ni Tia, he can understand English. So, kaya daw pwede kayong makapag-communicate sa kanya, pwede kayong magsulat ng letters sa kanya through English language. Naiintindihan niya.
Yes. Thank you so much again. Entertainment Live will be right back.